Top 5 Business Ideas for 2025 Low Investment, High Profit, Intro. Hi everyone. Welcome back to your channel name. If you're looking to start a profitable business in 2025 but don't want to spend a lot of money, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share the top 5 business ideas for 2025 that require low investment but offer great returns. Whether you're a student, a job holder, or someone wanting to start a side hustle, these ideas are perfect for you. So, let's dive right in. Idea 1. Online Dropshipping Store. Our first business idea is online dropshipping. This is a low-risk way to sell products without holding any inventory. You simply create an online store, partner with suppliers, and when someone places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. With platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, setting up a dropshipping store is easier than ever. Plus, you can focus on marketing and customer service to grow your sales. Idea 2. Freelance services using AI tools. Next up, we have freelancing with AI tools. You don't need any technical skills to start this. Tools like ChatGPT, Canva, and video editors help you provide services like content writing, graphic design, and video creation. Sites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to find clients. With dedication, you can easily earn $1,000 plus per month from freelancing. Idea 3. Handmade crafts and products. The third idea is to create and sell handmade crafts. Whether it's jewelry, home decor, or personalized gifts, people love unique and custom-made items. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, or even on your social media pages. This business is not only profitable but also very satisfying if you enjoy creating things. Idea 4. Digital courses and tutorials. Number 4 is creating digital courses or tutorials. If you have expertise in any field, be it cooking, programming, or fitness, you can create online courses and sell them on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Once your course is made, it can become a source of passive income as more students enroll over time. Idea 5. Social media management. Last but not least, social media management. Many small businesses need help managing their social media accounts. If you know how to create engaging posts, manage ads, and interact with followers, this is a lucrative business. You can start by managing pages for local businesses and expand as you gain more clients. Outro. So, those were the top 5 business ideas for 2025 that you can start with low investment and high profit potential. Which one did you like the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to